Now, to some people, it's outright robbery paying $400 for a smartwatch. Sure, it's still not close to the cost of some of today's ultra-premium smartphones that hover around the $1,000 range, but $400 is still quite an investment. Then again, there's Mobvoi's TicWatch E2, which is a Wear OS running smartwatch that can be picked up on the cheap for a mere $160. The savings you get going with the TicWatch E2 is no doubt something consumers will appreciate, especially those who are on a tight budget to begin with. Being priced that low would generally be suspect because people tend to automatically believe it would be cheap, inferiorly constructed over slightly more expensive offerings. But that's totally not the case here, since the TicWatch E2 just about offers the convenience that other current smartwatches offer. Visually speaking, you could argue that the design is just as bland and generic as they come with its polycarbonate construction, featuring a chunky-sized chassis that definitely looks oversized on small wrists. Nevertheless, we do appreciate how the bezel is raised to prevent the 1.39-inch AMOLED display from coming into contact with other surfaces. Best of all, it has a waterproof rating of 5 ATM, which will allow it to survive submersion up to 50 meters. Now, for those planning on using it for all their workout routines, it's great knowing that the TicWatch E2 will be able to endure all of that. Typically, smartwatches this low in price tend to be missing features, but again, that's not what we're getting here with the TicWatch E2. In fact, it has pretty much everything covered, consisting of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and even a heart rate sensor to provide users with vital health information. Even though it's powered by the Snapdragon Wear 2100 processor, the TicWatch E2 still manages to deliver a responsive experience. The only downside though is that we won't get the extensive battery endurance promised by the newer Snapdragon Wear 3100 processor that was announced this past fall. Still, being rated for upwards of 2 days isn't too shabby. Don't count out the TicWatch E2 for a second, given that it's out of the gates with a $160 price point. For a brand new smartwatch, there's solid value in what it offers because there are honestly no major compromises with the package. Yes, the design isn't the most appealing or premium, but hey, when it features the same experience and performance as other smartwatches that are easily priced above $200, it simply affirms the kind of value-rich package that the TicWatch E2 offers. And that is it for our quick hands-on look here at Mobvoi's TicWatch E2. If you guys want to learn more about it, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.